Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet 1020 printer driver in a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. First of all, just go to the any web browser. Here just type HP LaserJet 1020 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. The first link is from the support.hp.com and it is an official website of HP printer. Don't worry about that website, just open that website. And here is our HP website for HP LaserJet 1020. And it is detect your operating system as Windows 10 because Windows 11 is not supported with this site. So it is automatically redirect you to the Windows 10 and Windows 10 drivers 110% work with the Windows 11. So don't worry about that. Here we find driver product installation software. Here is our driver. Just click at here. Here is the driver. Just click at download. Okay. Now we are going to download. It's redirect and our download started in few seconds. It takes few seconds and after that it takes few minutes depending on the speed of your internet. So be patient and wait for some time. Okay. Now our download is completed. Just click on the show all, show in a folder. We just drag this setup file to desktop. Okay. Now we are going to install our drivers by the manual way, that is very secure way. So just right click on it, just go to the show more option and extract this file. This file is actually a zip file. So click on the extract file and click on the OK. Now it is extracting our zip file. It takes few seconds. Now here is our drivers folder. Okay, double click on it and here is our drivers, all drivers. Just close this. Okay, now the last step is very simple. Just go to the start, just type control panel, click on the control panel. Here we find devices and printers. Just click on the devices and printers. Okay, here we find at the top add a printer. Just click on add a printer, minimize this. Here we find the printer that I want isn't listed. Just click at here. Here just click on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Just select that. Just click on the next. Here we find port. Port is the most IMP part in this setup. Just select any USB port or HP printer port or HP port. Just select HP port or USB port. I just select any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003. If you find any USB port, just select that USB port. Okay, now just go to the next. Here just go to the have a disk, browse, just go to the desktop. Here just find our HP. Here is our HP folder. Okay, double click on it. Just go to the auto run or HP, select any of these auto run or this HP LG 1020. Okay, select any of these, click on OK. Now here you find HP LaserJet 1020. Just select this printer, just click on the next. Here is our printer name. Just click on the next, click on the yes. Now it is installing our printer. Now our printer is installed. If you want to test press printer test page, then click on here. I don't want it, so I just go to the finish. Now our printer is installed. Just check our printer is installed or not. Once again, just go to the devices and printers and here we find HP LaserJet 1020 printer. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install HP LaserJet 1020 printer driver in a Windows 11 operating system or any other Windows operating system by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.